Front of house, FOH versus back of house, BOH cleaning, 3 key differences. 1. In the front of house, FOH, cleaning is conducted in areas highly visible to customers. Cleaning must be done discreetly and efficiently to avoid disrupting the dining experience. In the back of house, BOH, cleaning takes place in areas not visible to customers, allowing for more flexibility and thoroughness in cleaning processes. UFOH surfaces such as tables, chairs, and bar counters are typically made of materials like wood, metal, or laminate, requiring gentle cleaning methods to avoid damage. BOH surfaces, including stainless steel counters, cooking equipment, and tile floors, are often more durable and resistant to harsh cleaning chemicals. 3. Cleaning in the FOH is typically performed throughout operating hours to maintain a presentable appearance for customers. It involves frequent spot cleaning and touch-ups to address spills and messes promptly. Cleaning in the BOH may involve less frequent but more intensive cleaning sessions, including deep cleaning of equipment and thorough sanitization of surfaces to ensure food safety and compliance with health regulations. To recap, 3 key differences between front of house and back of house are: level of customer interaction and visibility, types of surfaces and materials encountered, and frequency and intensity of cleaning required.